What you're looking at is a painting by Vincent van Gogh, and he is the master of swirls, which means he is an expert at painting using swirls. This is called Starry Night. So hi class, as you saw behind me, I showed you a picture, a painting that was done by Vincent van Gogh, and he used all kinds of swirls. That's how he did all his paintings. So I'm going to have you practice and do some really fun swirls. A swirl is a line that takes a turn and it curves and curves and curves. So we're going to do something that looks like this. We're going to fill a piece of paper with lots and lots and lots of swirls, and we're going to color them in and really have fun making a swirly painting. All right, now I'm using construction paper because I like the way the color is on the back, and I actually started with making my first swirls with all kinds of markers, and then I filled it in with crayons. Crayons really work really nice on construction paper. So watch how I do this, and you guys can do as many swirls as you like. At least give me 6, because I don't want to see just one giant swirl. I want you to fill the page with lots and lots of fun and colorful swirly designs. All right, follow me and I'll show you how. Swirl is just a line that starts in the middle and kind of twists around and twists around and makes a swirl. That's a swirl. So I'm going to make big ones, little ones, all kinds, and I'm going to choose different color markers, and they can connect, they can be real close to each other. They can even go and make another swirl. So I'm going to talk a little bit about how to color in your swirl. What I would like you to think about is matching your swirl color with your crayon color. That would be a nice start. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my crayon and press down real hard in the middle of my swirl and sort of make like a little button. If you press hard with the crayon, the color turns very dark. But if I go very light, it starts to go a bit lighter. So start with a dark circle by pressing hard, and then lift your hand and go light, very light with your crayon. When I'm coloring in, I like to go in circles. It really makes a big difference. So again, we're only going to pick a few colors to use, and for me on this project I'm going to use these 6 colors. Just these 6 colors throughout the whole time I am coloring, and I'm going to create patterns only using these 6 colors. So I put down a blue. I'm going to go ahead and add an orange. So make sure your colors are touching and they can go over each other, sort of like a train, and you're kind of hooking up all the colors together, and you're going to add as many colors as you want from that collection of 6 colors, because we're going to use the same colors in all my swirls. So I'll just keep adding colors, and again, you see how I like to go in little circles. Little circles really makes it easy to color. And when I put my blue on top of my yellow, I get a little bit of a green. Isn't that nice? You get to see how the colors mix. So I'll continue, and I'll just keep adding these colors all the way around my swirl, and keep going around and around until you get them all colored in, and that's what it's going to look like. All right, so you're going to finish everything up by coloring every single swirl you have on your paper, all of them colored in.